the equation W equals 120i minus 12i squared represents the power W in watts of a 120 volt circuit having a resistance of 12 ohms when a current I is flowing through the circuit. What is the maximum power in watts that can be delivered in this circuit? This kind of function here, you have x squared, I is the same as x squared. We can probably have it like this way, y equals 120 x minus 12x squared, because we're familiar with x's. This kind of function is going to look like this. This is the y-axis, the x-axis. So the function is going to look something like this one here. Alright, and you're looking for the maximum point. In order for you to get the maximum point, you have to first of all identify the axis of symmetry first. The value of this point. The axis of symmetry is equals to negative b over 2a. Now, what is b and what is a? In this case, a equals the coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of x squared is negative 12. Coefficient of x is 120. Now, let's substitute this formula here. So that's negative b over 2a. This is x equals that. That's going to be negative 120 over 2 times a, which is going to be negative 12. 120 is the same as 120 over 24. Alright, but negative over negative is positive, and 120 over 2 times 12 is 24. Get your calculator. 120 divided by 24, I believe it's 5. Alright, so that's going to be 5. This is the axis of symmetry, or this value here. Now we need to find this point. You're going to take this 5, substitute it in the original equation, this one here, to find the value of y. So let's rewrite this one here. So that's y equals 120 times x minus 12x squared. And what is x? We just got it here is 5. You're just gonna put 5 here. Get your calculator and submit this one. 120 times 5 minus 12 times 5 to the power of 2, or 25. I would like to write it this way, or type it this way, equals 300. So that means y equals 300, or the maximum equals 300. Maximum is 300. Choice A. Work well.